Hi guys, this is Jeep and today I'm going to play the Dead Trigger. About the video files. Yeah, video file. Video files. Take a type. No. Left here. Right here. Right one. Do alt. Right here. Right one. Do alt. So the game has started. So, and this is the place actually. And the game is same as the granny game. Like whenever someone comes, just shoot on this. Oh shit. Oh yeah. So more peoples are coming. So many peoples. That's a lot. Okay. So this was actually like the intro, like how to play this all. But now I'm going to be playing this game also together then. So guys, in this the most nice thing is that in this they have three types. One is like you have the money, means if you hack the game you will have the money, it's like full total. If it one is like if you spend the money it will automatically earn, and one is like if even if the amount is zero you can still buy some things. I don't know from where did I got so much of money. Yeah. So there is actually they're waiting for me. So I wasted my money. Maybe I cannot hack. I mean, I cannot. But I don't know which gun is this. Let's go. So now there are like options in this. So I'm gonna play with that. This is the place. So I have to defend myself. Actually, the zombies are coming for every side. People are not dying only. Let more zombies come. Oh shit. So you guys, you see how much money I'm getting while I'm killing each person. The main thing is like when you hit everyone you'll get more money. I don't know from where. Oh no, this is something happening. Actually, I have to survive for. Let's just throw some things, I don't know. Now let's go, but I don't know what to do now. And how to jump. Maybe there's not a jumping option. This. So they told me to like survive for 70 seconds. Now they are gonna check how many people did I kill. So let's see. So guys, you see how much fast I am earning the money actually. That is the most awesome thing in this. Like fastly I can get money in my hand. I'm like when I earn it, I directly get the money in my hand. Boom. I cannot for now to upgrade this. Oh, I don't have enough money, so I cannot upgrade the other guns. So I have many other guns, but all the guns are unlocked. Basically, guys, it's so awesome also. And let's go. So, guys, you see, they were like saying you have this much money, so I can buy any gun whatever I want. And here now I'm here only somewhere, and upgrade, if we check, we have to upgrade this gun, but I cannot because I don't have enough money also. So now I have to upgrade. I upgraded already, so let's go. So now for this gun, so I have equipped a type of gun which is like a when you shoot, it's like a bow and arrow. So when you shoot it, it's more awesome. One more match, so let's see. This is actually this is a laser actually. I mean, this is a sentry gun, through which means I don't have to kill anyone. People will be getting automatically killed. So, but what is the use? Wow, this is so awesome. Let's go. So guys, there are actually someone here. You dirty. Boom. So it's like a fruit. When you shoot it will get boom. So people are actually coming from. Zombie was coming very near. What the hell? Maybe he got killed. Okay, so I got a lot of money here now. Now I don't know from. Oh, enemies are coming very fast. Oh shit! So actually I was going to die now. I don't know why some people cannot get killed only. So guys, you see how fast am I earning the money first of all. So I'll go more near now. I just enter. Boom. Actually they're coming. Oh, one is here. There are actually many zombies here. So I have to enter the gun shop now, but actually there's like a shortcut through which you go here, and from here when you go you'll see a place, and here is a gun shop. So the place is more mysterious now, and I'm going to the gun shop very fast now. The game is success now. Now guys, I'll play one more match now. So let's see. Today means I played 3 matches right now. One was like they were teaching, and the other was like my intro. So guys, you see how much money did I got. It is so awesome to earn the money, and together with that, it's so awesome. Yeah. Nice. I don't need that. Actually I don't. So guys, now in equipment, if we check for the scorpion and the Brent, what I have to do, I have to upgrade this gun, and after that I have to upgrade this also. And guys, everything is done right now, and together with that nothing is left, and I'm going this gold now. Done. Now next is the shop. In shop there is actually this gun, and what if you check about the items, we have this all things, like you have mini mortar, laser turret, bait, but I don't know for how much it will come. It will come for like small things are coming for so expensive. Blade clutter. There's a lot of things, guys, here. Bait grenade. This thing is like, rolling grenade actually. Laser cutter. Mine is actually, guys, what to do is just plant it somewhere, and when a zombie comes, he will die itself from there only. Turret also is awesome. Even laser focus is a type of thing, like it goes in slow mo. And laser turret again, but this is gold. Mini mortar, gold. Okay, so revive also. Even the revive kit. Revive is like when any zombie eats you, you can directly get revive. So I don't have enough gold right now, so now what we are gonna do, we'll play again. So we have all the guns and we are gonna start the game. Right gray, right on, do ulting, face my shouting, Villa, right? Yeah, okay. Actually, I like this game, it is awesome. So now, guys, I have 3 guns. One is this, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot this shit guy. Actually, my most famous gun is this one. Where is my gun? Shit. Where is my bow and arrow? Actually, enemies are coming from where? The more the enemies, the difficult the game will be. Actually, I don't have to use this gun. Maybe this was good. Die, you fool. Die, die, die. Everyone die. What the hell is this thing? So wait a minute. That's so awesome. I'll zoom it. Actually, the problem is maybe I cannot go out from here. So the person who is... Oh shit. Die. Actually, I don't have enough lifeline also. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Where the enemies are coming? Oh, I have enough lifeline now. How many people are coming? Actually, some are coming from right also. One is coming from there. I have to zoom and check. Ah, that's a lot. How many? I'm wasting my bullets on this zombies. Actually, the one who is in the... He's not dying only. One more down. I think so, everyone died now. One is coming from there, running and coming. One is over there. Booyah! Haha! Anyone left? One is like running. This lady runs like anything. Oh! There's a chase, bro! This one is in steel, so it does not get died. The one who is in the police costume, he takes a lot of time to get died. Oh, that's a lot. 102 hits means... Oh shit. I don't know from where these people are coming. Oh, zombies are coming more near. Shit. The one who is in the... Oh, this lady is coming very fast. Die, you mad guy. Ah. Still there is a lot. Not done yet. Oh, thank God I saw that guy was coming. Actually, I killed everyone. So let's see how much money did I got. First of all, I killed at least about 200. That was a lot bullets. So how much money did I got? How many? Oh guys, you see 1009514. That is the actual money which I got. And now let's see, my business is going in more further, and together with that now I can upgrade whatever I want. So I'm going to equip and I'm going to upgrade this gun. Actually I wanted to play with crossbows have to upgrade. Crossbow is taking a lot of a lot of things, Wow, blade cutter, I got a blade cutter. Shit. So guys, the video ends here, and I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, my YouTube video, and share it and comment below how was it, and turn on the bell for my latest notifications and my latest videos, and share it and comment below how was it. And thanks for watching.